What's up, subscribers? Bainer24 here, about to recycle some Unleashed booster pack wraps. I got 6 of them, and I'm just gonna get started here. Keep those over there. One, two, three. 1, 2. We got a Roselia, Onyx, Beldum, Magmar, Sparrow, Plus Power, Matang, Dual Ball, Pupitar, and a Crobat rare, non-holo. We got a Vulpix, Natu, Turtwig, Larvitar, Remoraid, Chirim, Minun, that'd be a Dual Ball, MC's Chatter reverse, and a Tyranitar rare. Oops. One, two, three. How's fever sense? Got a Roselia, Remoraid, Teddiursa, Mankey, Onyx, Cheerleader's Cheer, Seadra, Dunsparce, a Numel reverse, which is uncommon, and a Beedrill rare. So not even a holo yet. Not too good. 2, 3, 1, 2. Got a Riolu, Mankey, Carnivine, Vulpix, Judge, Energy Returner, Rare Candy, a Sandler, which I believe to be, I'm wrong, and an Octillery holo. First holo. 2 more to go. Three, 1, 2. Got a Horsia, Onyx, Vulpix, Weasel, Stantler, Energy Returner, Pupitar, Interviewer's Questions, a Reverse Energy Returner, and a Metagross holo. 2 holos in a row. I can work with that. And last pack. 2, 3, 1, 2. Onyx, Carnivine, Turtwig, Beldum, Apom. I see a Prime card. You see that right there? Mm-hmm. That's good news. Goodrod, Numel, Plus Power. Oh, nice. I think it's badass looking. We got an Ursaring Prime. I don't have that. And a Roserade non-holo. But here's the prize. If you want to check them out. And that was the 6 packs of Unleashed. I'll be back with more. Undaunted is next. So don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.